Hey guys, Vic from Airvol here, your trusted Canadian CPAP supplier. And in today's video, I'm going to show you what comes with the Zopec Explore Mini Battery. We're going to unbox this. I'm also going to show you how to use it with the popular travel device, the ResMed Airmini. Okay, so the Zopec Explore Mini is a power battery that can be used on all ResMed devices. Okay, but it's especially recommended for portable devices as they don't have a heated humidifier and don't draw as much charge. While you can use this with an AirSense 10 or 11, it's recommended to use it without the heated humidifier so you can get a full night's therapy. So that is the Zopec Explore Mini battery itself. And when you open the box, it comes with a variety of cable kits. Okay, so you do get like a little sachet bag that you can store the Zopec in. They give you a cable kit for the AirSense 10. They give you the cable kit for the AirSense 11 and the Airmini as well. The 11 and the Mini share similar cables. And then you also have a DC out cable for the Airmini AirSense 11 as well. So you can use the power supply of your AirSense 10 or 11 or Mini to charge the Zopec battery. Additionally, you are also able to charge it with a USB-C power supply as well. So we'll go over the different ways you can charge your Zopec battery and how you can use it with your Airmini Airmini travel device as well in this video. Okay, so first, simply to use the USB-C connector. So this is simply like a very common charger that you might have for your phone. You're just going to connect the power bank of the USB-C cable into a power outlet, and then the USB-C cable just goes into the power in USB-C port of your Zopec battery. Okay, if you press the power button on it, you're going to see some lights flashing. So right now it's on a low charge, so it's going to be flashing low until it fully charges the battery. So this is one way you can charge your Zopec Explore Mini battery, simply by using the USB-C cable. Now, the most recommended way to actually charge the Zopec Explore battery is by using it as a backup power supply for your travel device. So what that means is you would basically have it connected in between the power cord and your Airmini, and the battery kicks on if you have a power outage, for example. So to do that, what you would need is, of course, the Airmini power supply itself. Okay, and you're going to plug in your Airmini power supply to the wall outlet. Okay, we're going to disconnect the USB-C cable now. Now, on the end of your Airmini power supply, what you're going to do is you're going to grab the Airmini DC input cable. So it's a short cable that looks like this, and it has an end similar to your Airmini power supply. And they actually fit together. So the Airmini power supply slides right into that DC cable, and you're able to now connect this into the DC input port of your Zopec battery. So now the power cord of your Airmini is charging the Zopec Explore Mini battery. And to power on your Airmini itself, you're going to take the other Airmini cable that you got with your package, called the DC output cable for the AirSense 11 and Airmini. And it has one end that matches the power end of your Airmini device itself. So that goes into the device. Okay, and then the other end of this cable kit would go into the DC output port of the Zopec battery. So now the way that you have everything connected is the Zopec Explore Mini is receiving constant charge from the power supply of the Airmini and is also powering the Airmini device itself. So currently it's actually using the regular power outlet to power the device, but if a power outage occurred, then the battery would be able to kick in to power on your device. So this is probably the most effective way to use this battery, as it'll constantly top up the charge and also give you that security for your Airmini if a power outage occurs. Now, of course, if your battery was fully charged and you were just using it off grid where you don't have access to any outlets, then basically the DC input cable would not be connected, and you would simply just have your Airmini being powered on by the battery only. So you would make sure you fully charge your battery, and then you would be able to connect it like this. In terms of runtime, you can get up to 16 hours or more of usage with the Zopec Explore Mini battery. It also depends on your pressure setting. So if you're using a mild setting, such as a pressure of 12 or less, you could get up to 2 nights of usage, possibly even 3 with the Zopec Explore Mini. If you're using a higher pressure, like 15 or more, you're most likely going to get 1, maybe 2 nights of use with the Explore Mini battery. Okay, we hope you found this video helpful. If you had any questions, concerns, you can put that on the comment section, hit that like and subscribe button, and stay tuned for next time.